Good afternoon, Bear Bull traders. This is Mike B here. I want to do a recap on a trade I took this afternoon, but before doing that, I wanted to talk about the importance of being mindful and understanding where you're at emotionally prior to the market opening, and understanding if you're even in the right state of mind to trade. Today was one of those days where I just was not in the right mindset to trade the open. Was agitated from some events last night, carried over to this morning, and every time I tried to focus in on something, I could tell my mind was drifting off. So instead, I made it a goal that I would not trade the open, and instead I would look towards the afternoon to take a trade. So to consume my time, I decided I'd watch Tesla at the open and see the crazy price action that could occur there, because I knew that I would not be tempted to take a trade on Tesla. Just way too big of a spread, way too big of price action for me. I'm just not comfortable with that. But let's get into the trade that I did take today, and that was on MU. So lately I've been taking these trades, these breakout trades, similar to what Thor has talked about. I just use the moving average crossover on the 1 minute as kind of a leading indicator into where the price level is going to break out at. So today I saw it on MU. I got a nice no new 5-minute high. I had a no new 15-minute high as well. I had the moving averages that were looking to cross over. One thing about this trade that I didn't like is I got in way too early on this trade. I actually should have taken the trade here, not here. As you can tell, I had a big pullback right after the entry. What was kind of ironic, though, is I had actually input the limit order that I had after it had broke that, and it was coming down, and I figured it was already into the pullback. Jumped the gun a little bit. But once I was in the trade, I accepted the risk where I was at. I had my stop loss set at 56.58. As you can tell by this dash line that I always set there, I just like the visual cues so I know exactly when I'm about ready to stop out. It's just something personal that I've liked ever since Sim. I've been doing that. But I did eventually get the move. You can see it busted through that price level finally. I took my first partial at 1R, got my second partial up here at 2R, and then I set a range order for the last little bit. You'll notice that it did eventually ended up in this range here, trading kind of here and up here. That's a little bit high. It was more at that 56.65 level after the initial move, which kind of bothered me a little bit. 56.80 or 95, 56.95, it just could not bust through there. There was quite a lot of ass at the 57. It just couldn't do it. So I finally exited the trade when it lost the moving averages going into the close in the last 2 minutes. Figured it'd sell off, and as you can tell, it did end up going all the way back to my break-even point. So hope you enjoyed the trade. Hope you all had a great day trading, and have a wonderful day, and see you all tomorrow in the chat.